All right, hey everybody, it's Rainbow Runner. Welcome back. We're here for another episode of Railfanning on the evening of May 6th of 2023. And looks like we got a few people right here waiting for the train, but they better get away from the tracks. But anyways, yeah, so we're down here at Warner Road. It was almost 4 years ago that I filmed Railfanning number 6, my first Railfanning at Warner Road. Yeah. See, I've been here for quite a while. I've been here for quite some time. What really sucked was that I pulled into the Western Skies Plaza in my truck to, park. And, I pulled into the parking spot and to just, I checked to kind of check something on my phone, and then an Outbound passed right at that point and stuff. Like I haven't even turned the truck's engine off at that point, which really sucked. I've been waiting for several hours, but now we have one on its way. You better get away from the tracks. Yeah, so we have people right there. We have a nice full moon up there. I remember when the moon was rising. It had that nice harvest color. Shout out to Mark, aka Railroad Train Spotter. I know he's made some vids where he showcased the moon phases and cycles. Pretty good. But yeah. I think the train is at Lindsay Road. Yeah, I kind of hear like dogs and other, like dogs barking, I guess, because of the train horns and stuff. All right. Any moment we will have the gates activate. That car's gonna safely make... Oh. Yeah, I was wondering if that Ford Expedition was gonna make it, but nope, not enough. All right, here it comes. Unfortunately, there's gonna be that vegetation which creates a blind spot. Not gonna get a clear view until the train makes it right to the crossing, but I'll try to call out the locomotives as best as I can. 6384. There's the end. That train was going pretty fast. All right, well, that's right, just about it. I'm gonna like usual, give you a shot of the gates rising up at Val Vista Drive. I think the signal's off at Elliott. Red signal holding, and all right. The gates of Val Vista will rise right now, actually. All right, so that's going to be it for this episode of Railfanning. And actually, quick update. I'm finishing up this semester, this spring semester at Chandler Gilbert. And I'm going to be off for the summer before I start up again for fall 2023 for my next semester. So I hope to be able to enjoy my summer, but also get some more videos out for you guys. All right, well, I think that'll wrap up this episode. Thanks for watching, everybody. And as always, Rainbow Runner will be heading out. Bye.